Good day everyone! In this video, I'll give a tutorial on how to display descriptive statistics with Microsoft Excel and SPSS. The data that I use in this video is data on the rate of counting the element cesium CS137 for 25 times per 10 seconds, as much as 30 data. If you want to use this data as an exercise, you can download the sample data in the link that I provided in the description of this video. Without further ado, let's move on to the tutorial. Our first tutorial will use Microsoft Excel. Previously, it should be noted that you must install the Stat+ add-ins in Microsoft Excel. You can check the video for Stat+ installation at the link that I provided in the description. First, select the Stat+ menu. Then, select Univariate Statistics. Second, in General, select Input. And then select Use Range References. Enter data, then click OK. Third, select Summary. Then check the list of outputs you want, then click OK. Fourth, select Variability. Then check the list of outputs you want, then click OK. Fifth, select the Distribution. Check the desired output list, then click OK. Sixth, if you want to remove all the output in the previous steps, in the General checklist, all Summary Statistics, all Variability Statistics, and all Distribution Statistics, then click OK. Seventh, in General, select Output, and also select the place and type of output you want. Then click OK. The following are the results of descriptive statistics from processing using add-in Stat+ in Microsoft Excel. The second way to process descriptive statistics is to use SPSS. The following are the steps to display descriptive statistics using SPSS. First, enter data in one column in the Data Editor, Taskbar Data View. Name the variable as cesium. It can be later changed in the taskbar variable view. Second, select the Analyze menu. Then, select Descriptive Statistics. Then, select Frequencies. Third, enter the variable you want to find the numeric extract for. Then, click Statistics. Finally, check the numeric extract you want, then select Continue and select OK. That's all the tutorial in this video. If you like this content, I hope you're willing to like, subscribe, and share this video. Hopefully it'll be useful for all of you, and see you in the next video.